Hello everyone, this is my flight review of British Airways 787-8 from London Heathrow to Washington Dulles in business class. Since this is a flight review instead of a flight report, I will be sharing my impressions and opinions. I will be rating the aircraft, crew and service, seat, meals and the in-flight entertainment system on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. Please click on the link above if you'd like to learn more about my rating methodology. I love the Boeing Dreamliner. For the aircraft alone, I give 5 stars. However, when considering the other subcategories in aircraft and cabin, the final average rating is 4.2 stars. Gate B36 is located in Satellite Terminal B. It takes several minutes to get there from the main Terminal 5, where the larger British Airways lounges are located. Boarding was about 20 minutes late, so I went to the smaller and less crowded lounge near the gate. The seats are configured in a 2-3-2 pattern with alternating forward and rear-facing seats. All seats technically have aisle access, however, you may have to step over your neighbor's footrest. The pre-departure beverage was champagne. Due to the lack of flat surfaces, there was nowhere to place the glass or any other items. More on that later when I talk about the seat. Now let's take a look at the menu. There were 3 options for the main course: beef, fish, or vegetarian. Lunch service began shortly after takeoff, with a beverage and nuts. Beef was flavorful but not very tender. The dessert was a simple and small chocolate caramel cake. The flight attendants were kind and well organized when serving the meal. However, no drinks or snacks were offered mid-flight. I give 4 out of 5 stars for flight attendants and service. Now let's take a look at the seat. As I mentioned before, there are no flat surfaces unless you have the tray table open, so there are not any places to keep your personal items within reach. Directly next to the seat back you can find the remote control, USB port and headphone jack. The seat controls are simple and intuitive. The power outlet is awkwardly located next to your feet. where you will also find a drawer, the only storage option available. The footrest has to stay up during takeoff and landing. It can be uncomfortable if you are seated next to a stranger facing each other. Thankfully, we have the option to raise the privacy screen. The tray table is large and it slides back and forth. When in bed mode, it was long but quite narrow. I give the seat 3 out of 5 stars. It was comfortable, but I wish it had more workspace, storage options, and privacy. The amenity kit is provided by the British brand The White Company. Let's look at the Inflight Entertainment. The screen swivels to accommodate your sitting position. The touchscreen is not very responsive, but the remote control is easy to use. There is a good amount of content, including new and classic movies and TV shows. However, the screen size could be larger and the resolution could be improved. I give the Inflight Entertainment 3.5 stars. The choices for pre-landing snack were sandwiches or a tapas plate. I chose the tapas plate. I was a little disappointed with the overall flavor of the food and the lack of more options. The average rating for the meals is 3.6 stars. Here is my scores breakdown. Let's recap the scores average for the main categories. Aircraft and cabin 4.2, meals 3.6, seat 3.0, flight attendant and service 4.0, and in-flight entertainment 3.5, giving us a final score of 3.7 stars. Thank you for watching. Please like, leave a comment and subscribe. See you next time.